warm. Natasha has all that for us.
Here's the good news. As we move ahead to the next 7 days, your temperatures stay above freezing. Quite a big difference compared to what we had into last week. Remember, last week our overnight temperatures were down into the mid-20s and daytime highs only topping off in the mid-30s. A very different feel as we get into this weekend and the rest of next week. 42 right now for you over towards STOLLER Winery. We swung the camera around for you to point out some of those darker clouds looking out to the east and northeast, heading into the foothills especially. You can see it right there on radar as you look out towards Mount Angel just outside of Woodburn up through Canby. Some heavier showers falling. Right around Portland, we're getting a break for the moment. A few more isolated showers, though, still popping into the picture here. A little bit of an unsettled weather situation for us here for the next 12 hours. And then tomorrow we'll go into a pattern where we'll see a few isolated showers, but for the most part in the valley, it will be fairly dry, while the mountains and the foothills see the majority of our rainfall. 47 right now for us in Portland. Our normal daytime high is about 50 degrees for us, so we're just a little bit below normal. Wind is out of the southeast now at 10 miles per hour. Temperatures overnight will cool down into the low 40s. We're keeping your eye on the river levels. So far, we're seeing everything well below action stage, below flood stage. If we get an abundance of rain, though, as we're expecting as we go into Sunday and Monday, some of our rivers might climb up a little bit further, but at this point, again, no concerns in the next 24 hours. Looking at your rainfall totals, how much rain are we going to see? Well, initially, again, as I mentioned before, going into tomorrow, there's not going to be a lot of rain happening for us right around Portland. We might come out with about 1/4 of an inch as we go from now through Sunday morning. At the coast, you're looking at something closer to about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. But watch what happens out towards Longview and Astoria as we roll into Monday night. Now we're really adding on those rainfall totals, closer to about almost 2 inches of rain in Longview. But then look, Portland, Salem, you remain less than 1 inch. The majority of that moisture is going to be focused to western Washington and, of course, the coastline. So out towards Tillamook, we could see more than 3 inches of rain. Naturally, east of the Cascades, we won't be seeing nearly as much rain. And some of this, of course, will be falling as snow right around that 3,000 to 4,000 foot mark. Your temperatures tomorrow at the coast will be in the upper 40s. I know this is one of those times of year, when it's nice to kind of get out and watch the rainfall and watch the waves, but be aware if you're going to be doing any walks along the beach here, watch out for those sneaker waves. Those are those occasional, they feel like rogue waves. All of a sudden it's like, where did that wave come from? It didn't look like it was all that turbulent, so just have that at the tip of your mind for this weekend. Your temperatures tomorrow in the valley will be in the upper 40s. Again, a few isolated showers. Madras and Bend, you'll be in the mid to low 40s. Pendleton, you're up to just 40 degrees for your high. The Dow's 44. Government Camp, we're going to keep you at 30 degrees. Winds start to pick up for you in the afternoon out of the west-southwest, anywhere from about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Hood River, you're at 43 tomorrow afternoon. So looking at a few isolated showers again tomorrow. Most of this, of course, will be heading into the western slopes of the Cascades. There's Sunday. Now we're starting to pick up those rainfall totals, especially as we go into Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Slightly cooler air is going to be coming into the picture. Could we see some lower elevation snow? Well, as we look towards next Thursday, so now we're about a week away, we could see some lowering snow levels, but at this point, it appears as though we're going to keep it off of the valley floor and perhaps as low as about 1,500 or 1,000 feet. Of course, we'll keep you posted as we get closer. Temperatures for you Monday all the way up to 54. Look at that. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're seeing some isolated showers, temperatures in the upper 40s. Overnight temperatures still keeping it above freezing, but as low as about 36 as we go from Tuesday night into Wednesday morning.
Okay, Natasha.